Most people in this category spend weeks researching and still end up with regret. Not because they made the wrong choice, because nobody told them what actually matters. This review is going to be different. I am going to tell you the things most reviewers skip. You have probably read the spec sheets. You have seen the star ratings, and you are still not sure. That uncertainty is not a you problem. It is a signal that most reviews are written by people who spent 45 minutes with a product, not 45 days. The question you are really asking is not what this product does. The question is whether it is going to actually change anything for you. That is the question I am going to answer. I tracked this product through multiple price cycles before sitting down to record this. I compared it against the alternatives that serious buyers in this category actually consider. And I looked at what happens after the purchase, not just before. The EarlySincere smart glasses with 8MP 4K POV camera and Bluetooth, HD video recording, AI vision assistant and translation, open-ear audio, photochromic and extra blue light lenses for travel and driving, earns its place by doing something specific very well. That something starts with brand. Visit the EarlySincere store. What that means in your day-to-day is that you stop compensating for what your last product got wrong. The second thing worth paying attention to is about this item, 4K hands-free POV camera. Capture 4K photos and stabilized HD video with an 8MP lens. Record a true first-person perspective for vlogging, driving, hiking, or cooking. Stay completely hands-free and focused on the moment without ever holding a device. Immersive audio and smart Bluetooth calling. Experience rich stereo sound through advanced quad speakers built directly into the audio arms. Our true open-ear design lets you enjoy music or podcasts while staying fully aware of your surroundings. Essential for safe commuting or running. Featuring seamless Bluetooth connectivity and dual mic ENC technology, it effectively blocks background noise for crystal clear, hands-free calls wherever you go. Dual lens pro protection for smart eyewear. Adaptive visual tech for your modern lifestyle. Our photochromic lenses block blue light indoors and darken only under strong sunlight for UV defense. We've also included a dedicated anti-blue light lens featuring no blue reflection technology, ensuring zero color distortion while you use the device. One smart frame, 2 pro lenses, the ultimate all-day tech companion. AI meeting assistant and smart transcription. Revolutionize your productivity with advanced AI powered by the GPT-4o model. Acting as your personal digital secretary, these smart glasses effortlessly record and save high-quality audio, transcribe speech-to-text, and translate languages in real time. It goes a step further by generating structured meeting summaries and visual mind maps. The ultimate hands-free tool for professionals and students. Look and ask visual AI recognition. Turn curiosity into knowledge. Simply look at an object, landmark, or foreign menu and ask, "Hey Cyan, what is this?" The built-in AI vision system analyzes the image and provides instant audio explanations. A must-have travel gadget for tech enthusiasts and tourists seeking interactive learning. Real-time AI translator break language barriers instantly. Supporting over 100 languages, including Spanish, French, Japanese, etc., this feature acts as your personal simultaneous interpreter. Whether you're a business traveler or a vacationer, listen to the translated audio directly through the open-ear speakers for seamless natural conversations. Stable Bluetooth 5.4 and 10x faster Wi-Fi. Seamlessly pair and control with ultra-stable Bluetooth 5.4. Ready to post? Download files to your phone 10x faster via Wi-Fi sync. Instantly export your vlogs to TikTok or YouTube through the Hayside app, iOS 13 Plus and Android 6 Plus. All-day battery for active lifestyles. Designed to keep up with your daily rhythm. Enjoy up to 12 hours of continuous music playback or talk time on a single charge. Whether you are commuting, working, or exploring the outdoors, you won't have to worry about constantly recharging your smart glasses. Premium gift set and 0 subscription fees. Unbox luxury with a trifold case, anti-slip ear hooks, a cleaning cloth, and 2 magnetic charging cables, 1 for home, 1 for the office. Note: all advanced AI features on the Hey Cyan app are fully accessible with 0 hidden subscription fees. Backed by a 3-year warranty, 30-day hassle-free returns, and 24/7 customer support. Show more, see more product details. Not in a test environment. In the situations where you actually need it to perform. That difference shows up in ways that are hard to quantify on a spec sheet. The third element is product information additional details. Operating system, proprietary OS additional features, View Open Ear Audio, built-in voice assistant, AI recognition, image stabilization, music player, built-in microphone, noise cancellation dustproof, built-in camera, open ear audio, video recording, voice control GPS, geotagging functionality, no GPS human interface input buttons, gesture, microphone, touchpad supported application camera, music player, phone, video record, voice assistant style, name modern color black, smart photochromic battery, capacity 290 mAh, battery cell type, lithium-ion battery average, life 7 days battery charge time, 2 hours compatibility, compatible devices Android, cellular phones, smartphone, iPhone compatible, phone models Android devices, iOS devices warranty and... If you have ever replaced something ahead of schedule because it stopped holding up, you already understand why this matters more than any single feature. The feedback pattern on this model is unusual in one specific way. Buyers who come in skeptical end up leaving the same reviews as the people who were already excited. That kind of convergence across different buyer types is not something you see often. It tells you something real about consistency of experience. There's one limitation I want you to know before you decide: a price that reflects real value. Not everyone will weigh that the same way, and I understand that. If that specific thing is a deal breaker for your situation, I respect that completely. But for the majority of buyers who are looking at this product, the overall trade-off still lands clearly on the right side. Pricing on this model has not been stable. I have watched it move enough times that I would not trust any number I write here today. The figure you see right now is not what I saw a month ago, and it is probably not what you will see in another month. Sometimes that movement is upward. Sometimes it is a significant discount. The only way to know which side you are on right now is to check the live link. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.